public market of CARCAR. We will be buying lechon. Just arrived roasted suckling pig here in the new public market. And you can buy in kilos. Buying of lechon was situated in the old market, which is on the other side. And this is the new market. So I think we'll be ready and choosing how many kilos we will be buying. So I think a good tip here, guys, is that if there is roasted suckling pig which has just arrived, then probably just choose it then. So in most cases in the Filipino culture, they always skew the roasted suckling pig using the bamboo branch, right, just there. And then that will be attached.
Timbang ka sa daan bon. Pet. Timbang sa timbang.
So after you buy lechon, guys, make sure to check where you can buy other side dishes, seafood, and wrapped rice, which is very famous. Cebu is very famous puso. The good thing about the new public market here in CARCAR is that you can dine here when you buy lechon downstairs for you to head on to your trip or next destination, especially if you're going to Oslo. So make sure that you visit here in the new public market and then eat your lechon as a takeaway over here in this area.